Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Cross Street Classics. Today we're going to be working on something a little different. We have my in-laws Mercedes-Benz Sprinter van, and my father-in-law picked up a pedal commander to help with the throttle lag on the van. So we're going to take it out and run it here, and then we're going to take it back out after we install this and see if we notice any difference in the performance of it. So as you can see, it's raining, and we have to do this out of the garage here because it won't fit in my garage. So let's take it for a test ride, and we'll do some performance testing on it. All right, so we're gonna get out here on the road and do a 0 to 60 time. It is raining slightly, but we can get the gist of it here. So 3, 2, 1. Definitely some big throttle lag, whatever you want to call it. And we're at 50, 55, and 60.
13.72.
Okay, 13.72, 0 to 60 time. And like I said, we are up to operating temperature. So let's go back to the house, through the pedal commander in, and see what we got. Okay guys, so we have our pedal commander here. It's pretty easy plug and play. We follow the instructions. The instructions said to, if you have a keyless entry, to take the key fob 35 feet or more away for 5 minutes, so the key fob doesn't interfere with the car. Not sure why that is, but we're going to listen to the instructions because it said so. So we've done that. We've waited our 5 minutes, and we're going to take here, we're going to unplug our throttle position sensor switch here. Okay, so I have it hooked up down here to the pedal, and I pulled this panel off here. There's 3 screws underneath, and then a screw here and a screw here to pull this loose. But this has to come off. This just pops in to get access to these, and I just pulled this out. And I'm just going to mount it right here. They gave you some sticky tape for Velcro. Just going to mount it here. I don't want to drill any holes. It's kind of out of the way. So that's where we're going to put it at. So let me put all this back together, and we'll get that mounted up, try it out. Okay, so we have our pedal commander here all mounted up. And so we're gonna hit our star here. We're gonna put on sport mode, and then they give you 4 different levels. Let's go up to 4 here, and let's try that and see how it goes. I'm already noticing some better, oh man, some better throttle response here.
Yeah, it's usually, this thing's usually really laggy.
It is.
Ooh, man. Yeah, that works.
Yeah.
That works a lot better.
Just pulling out of the driveway here, we noticed some pretty substantial increase in throttle response.
It's very
definitely peppier. And I have it on sport mode, the highest setting. Now we actually have the Sport Plus the 4 settings in it, so I mean you can get a little bit more out of it. But we're gonna see if we improved our 0 to 60 time any.
13.72 is the last one, so
Yeah, so let's see what we can do up there. Wow. Okay guys, so we are back on our straightaway here. We're gonna do our 0 to 60 again. We have 13.72. So I know we're not doing the most scientific way, but this is what we're going to do. So 3, 2, 1. There's 30. There's 40. Here's 50. And 55, 60 now. What we got? Now.
13.11. So there's a slight difference.
That's about a half of, we shaved a half a second off. So that's not too bad. Like I said, there's more to play with this. I think just getting rid of that initial lag was what he was wanting to do, and I think it's pretty impressive myself.
Yeah, it works a lot better.
Yeah, so not sure what it's going to do for the fuel mileage, but that's yeah. What are you going to do? All right, guys. Well, appreciate you watching. Hope this helped. Thanks again for tuning in to Cross Street Classics, and we'll see you next time.
Like and subscribe.